Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. I'm in a basement in Fort Worth, Texas, where the walls are just under 8 feet tall. 7 feet 8 inches is to be exact. And I don't know if you can tell, but my head height is up to this part of the pipe, and this is the standard. You see the standard I-beam for a basement this big, and you'll see the I-beam takes up a large portion of the headroom, and that beam runs across the entire room and is supported here in the middle, as you can see right there. And that beam is approximately 8 inches. So it takes up 8 inches of the headroom inside, and there's a crawl space. But what I want you to see is just how close any plumbing from upstairs, and that shows you just what the headroom looks like. Let me get a little closer so you can actually see it. There we go. It's very tight when it's not at least a 10-foot ceiling. Because this comes out of the ceiling about 10 inches. About 11 inches, as you can see. The standard support beam is going to be anywhere between 6 to 8 inches. Yep, that's 8 inches. And stairs, when they come down on one side, this is what it looks like because it takes up so much space. Back up so you can see it a little bit better. There we go.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, then please subscribe or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.